Get a bigger cut out of the profits with the S961 pineapple corer from Juicernet. The S961 is a heavy-duty, freestanding pineapple corer that saves time and labor and is easy for customers to operate. The corer is designed with a knife that turns 90 degrees when coring and peeling a pineapple. With this design, there is no waste or crushing of the fruit. The result is perfectly cored pineapples conveniently delivered to your customers. You'll find it easy to get shoppers' attention when ready-to-eat pineapples are displayed. When the corer is on a retail floor and samples are offered, pineapple sales increase as much as 300%. The S961 has easy access to the coring mechanism, making cleaning and maintenance a breeze. The cutter bed and legs are also made with corrosion-proof stainless steel, making them strong and long-lasting. It is also equipped with wheels for easy mobility. The S961 corer includes 96mm cutting blades perfect for 5 to 7 count pineapples. You also have the option to purchase 101mm cutting blades for larger 4 count pineapples and 92mm blades for smaller 8 to 10 count pineapples. Juicernet offers a blade sharpening program and stocks replacement parts for immediate shipment. Your shoppers will love the convenience as much as they love the freshly cored pineapples. Easy to use, easy to maintain, easy to please your customers. The S961 Pineapple Corer. Another simple, profitable solution by Juicernet.